Guys, I hope all is well. I am about to trim my bushes. You gotta always, trim your bushes. So my bushes right now is really big. um, I am going to show you guys how to do it. What I like to do first, guys, is you see that plastic stuff. I have a shower curtain liner down. To me, it don't move, it stay down, and I like the thickness of a shower curtain liner. So maybe go ahead and get you like two. Go ahead and lay it down. And each time you move it around, just move around the shower curtain. Then you don't have to have a big mess to pick up. Because I'm telling you, if you don't do that, you will have a huge mess. If you don't have access to a shower curtain, just use big black trash bags. Something so you don't have to be keep on bending down, picking up all of the bushes that you cut on the ground because we want to keep this nice and clean. I'm eventually also, guys, add some mulch down too, but again, that's a good way to do it. I'm going to be using my trimmer, my little cordless trimmer. So let's go ahead and do it, guys. Okay, so you just go all around and get each of the bushes. That's how easy it is. Okay, so I am done trimming down that bush. I'm about to do the same exact thing to each bush. And then once I get done, I'm gonna pick off all the remainings. But like I said, put as many trash bags as you can. I really need to put a little more. It makes it a lot easier to pick up after end. If this video helped you, please go ahead and subscribe for more. Don't be afraid, guys, to do your own yard. I remember one time I was quoted this crazy price to do my yard, but I was like, I could do it myself. And I love it. I love plants. So we have a company come out and do the grass and stuff, but I love to do the bushes myself. Okay? Comment below if you a DIYer too and you like to do your own bushes and stuff. Okay, guys, I am done. They are looking so good. I cut them down really low. If you don't let them grow crazy like mine grew crazy, it would not take long at all, and it's not hard at all. What I'm about to do is see how I told you guys I put the plastic down. I'm about to pick up uh, the little bit pieces, and then I'm going to put it on side of the plastic, and then I'm going to throw everything away. I'm telling you, it makes it so much easier versus trying to pick up everything off the ground. But try it. Let me know, guys, how you like it. Okay? Be blessed, guys. Bye. Okay, guys, I'm officially done. I just finished pulling up all the plastic and trash bags and stuff. I am on my last trash bag, shower curtain. When I say I love the shower curtains and using trash bag, it make it so much easier for cleanup because I'm telling you, it would take so much time once you cut all these down, trying to pick them up on your knees and all that good stuff. I did just purchase a really cute pillow type thing that I got from Big Lots for your knees to pick up weeds. So if you're trying to wonder what's the easiest way to get weeds, that's the best way. You got to use your hands, get you one of those, again, they like the kneeing things, And I'll put a picture of it. It makes it so much easier. But I am done. Yay! Again, I cut them first. I let the sun was so hot beaming. I just let it kind of sit and wait till the sun went down to pick all the stuff up. It makes it so much easier. Do it all in increments, and now I'm done. Okay, I'm gonna show you the end result. See, you got all the scraps. I'm telling you guys, it's so much better. Put it inside of here. I got 3 big old things of scraps. And you just put it in your bag. And if you want, you go in and pick up if you want the extras. As you see down, and we are done. Yay! I'm excited. Don't forget to subscribe for more. Bye, guys. And if you do this, let me know below how it go. Okay? Don't forget your bug spray. You need your bug spray. Scraps. I'm telling you, that's the easiest way to do it. And now go throw that in the trash. I am all done. Kind of nice they cut. See, guys, you can do that stuff yourself. I'm telling you. And this plant right here was doing so beautiful, but they did our roof and they laid the tarp on top of it. So now she doing a little bad, but she all right. She a planaria. She'll be back again. All these birds. Oh, these birds be getting on my nerves, y'all. Okay, but anyway, I am done, y'all.